Hello guys, so yeah, welcome to this video. So quickly I want to explain how I catch this move this morning during the London session. So right now, this is how I analyze the markets using the market mechanics by my mentor, the trading gig. All right. So this is how I started. When I opened the chart, I discovered that we have an all-time high of up to 5,592, as you can see right there. So, but price was actually this morning. Price was actually going up. So, the bias of the market is actually bullish, right? The market is buying. So, I am supposed to be looking out to buy the market. But I believe that using the market mechanics, when after I have refined my edges, I know that I can still also take a sell trade for a short time actually. So what I'm saying right now is that when I am in 15 minutes time frame now, so for me to see the clear trend, clear like the fractal markets, I went down to the 5 minutes. All right. So when I went down to the 5 minutes, this is what I observed. So I observed that price was actually making series of higher high, higher low, higher highs. Okay. So and I knew that this is the last price. Okay, this is the last price. So I know that price will not continue to be going up in a straight line. All right. So I expect that there will be a reversal in the markets before markets continue the upward movement. So what I did is that I want to see more fractal markets. Okay, fractal markets. So I had to go down to the 1 minute to see what price was doing. So when I was, this is the 5 minutes, right? This is the 5 minutes. So I knew that after markets make higher low here, markets make another higher high here. Okay. So and potentially I know that this is our higher low. Okay, this is our higher low. This small red candle here, that is our higher low, because price actually come up here creating a new higher high. So it means that we have an higher low here. So for me to now see the fractal markets, I went down to 1 minute. I went down to 1 minute. So when I went down to the 1 minute, okay, so let me just do this. So when I went down to the 1 minute, I can see that the 5 minutes higher low that I have marked out, it is actually an higher low. Okay. So what gave me the confirmation of this trade is that I see that markets create an higher low, it creates an higher high. Now what I expected the markets to do for me to confirm that this is going to be a sell trade is that I expect price to break through the previous higher low, which is this level right here. So immediately price broke through this level with this fat candle here. I expect price will adjust back a little bit. Okay, so when price return to this level here, I enter a sell trade. So I enter at this point right here and I place my stop loss below this supply area here, and in about I think I entered the trade around 7:56. That's 4 minutes to 8 before the London session. So when the London session starts at 8 o'clock, okay, so I was monitoring this trade, and eventually I actually set my stop loss at the demand area, 1 minute demand area here. So this is the 1 minute demand area, because I don't want to actually take this position for long term, because I know that price can eventually return back to the buying trend anytime any soon. Okay, so I actually set my take profit be at 1 minute demand area here. But the overall duration that this trade took is, I think, 1 hour 20 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 20 minutes. So this happened for 1 hour 20 minutes, and you can see that price is still continue going down. So hadn't been that I I hold this trade up to this point, I'll still be in profit. But at least I am so glad, I'm happy that this trade play out. Okay, even though the bias of the market is buying, is bullish, I still see the opportunity to trade the market for what it is, instead of what I see the market with, my emotions. So I'm glad that this trade played out. Okay, that this trade played out. So this is how I took this trade, and I make a profit of $38. Yeah, $38. So let me show you that I made let me show you that on my. Okay, so you can see this is $38 profit. So okay, so that's $38 profit right there. So I believe that I'll continue to refine my edges, and in the long run I know that I'm going to be a profitable trader. So that is how I traded this. I'll see you in the next video.